Hey, what's up everybody? Check out this dirty interior on the 98 Nissan Frontier. Today I'm going to be cleaning this up as best I can. As y'all can see, it needs a little bit of work. This was a work truck, so it just had to get you from point A to point B. But since I'm going to have it as a little mini cruiser, I'm going to just go ahead and do the best I can with what I got on this. As y'all can see, there's stuff everywhere. It's pretty dusty. See what we can do to it. Here's a list of the items I used. I used my McCullough steamer, Chemical Guys Nonsense all-purpose cleaner, an interior brush, microfiber towels, and elbow grease. Whole lot of elbow grease. First thing I did was hit it with a steamer just to kind of get some of that dirt lifted up. Now I'm gonna hit it with this APC. It's diluted 3:1, and I'm gonna hit it with my interior brush. Yeah, this is where the elbow grease comes to play. Don't be scared of it. Go ahead and brush it in, agitate, agitate, agitate. Get all the dirt lifted up and off of that door panel. Now I'm hitting it with the steamer again with the scotch attachment. I'm touching it to the door panel, but I'm not scrubbing too hard with it. I'm mainly using the steam again to try to pick up some of that dirt that I agitated. Then I'm gonna hit it with the brush attachment, and I'm gonna scrub it a little bit with that one. And then I'm gonna take the attachment off and shoot the steam directly into those little crevices. Now I'm just wiping away the dirt with a microfiber towel. Now the process is sped up, but in real time this took me close to 15 minutes. Now I'm doing the APC again, hitting the top portion of it, making sure I get in every nook and cranny I can get into. Agitate and wipe away is the name of the game. Even without a steamer, you can still get good results. Now I'm applying some VRT, which is from Adams, which is just interior dressing. Now I didn't film this immediately after finishing. This was a couple of days later. It had rain, so that's what the water spots are by the armrest. But man, what a difference. Look at that. Here I'm going to show you guys a comparison of the before and after in the same screen. It's like a totally new door panel. Look at how that gray pops now. Thought it was a dark gray, it's really a light gray. And here's a little more of the rest of the interior. Looks a whole lot better now than it did before. I also lucked up and found a bench seat at the junkyard, so I went ahead and replaced the bucket seats with a bench seat. I also added a CD player and some tent, but I'll do an update video on that stuff later on. Anyways, if y'all got any questions, y'all feel free to hit me up. Y'all stay safe out there.